Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are taking a look at a simple yet powerful UI enhancement in Odoo 20, the ability to expand and collapse the group record in list view. Okay, so basically this feature makes it better, easier to navigate group data, improving productivity and giving users a better control over a large data sets, right? So let's see how it actually works. So you all know that in previous version of Odoo, which means in 19, 18 and 17 versions, you might know about that expanding or collapsing a multiple group often require a clicking and each group individually. Like we need to click upon all individual groups. So this is the dashboard of the sales and here I'm at the quotation and there you can see that I can simply group by using the filters here. Like I can group by using let it be the customer basic. So if I just group that on the basis of a customer, you can see the quotation is grouped on the basis of each of the customer and I can manually click on the each drop down arrow and I can expand it all right. So I just want to click on each of the grouped data. So I can see the expanded, quotations and everything that is taking under each of the customer. But here in Odoo 20, you don't need to do that. Here, it is very easy. So let me show you using a simple trick or an thing like you all have Alt key in your, laptop or computer or anything, right? So simply click on that option. And if I'm just dragging my mouse to the each of the customer, you can see an option is clearly visible to click to expand all groups. So simply click on that option and now you will see the magic, which means if I just click on one of the customer and the option which is to click all that particular thing in expand version, you can see all of the customers will giving you the expand version. Okay. So under each of the customer, you can see each of the quotation that is correspondingly provided. So that's how simply you can use this feature. And if you want to collapse that into back, so simply click on Alt, and if I navigate into the customer name, you can see click to collapse all group. So first of all, you can see click to expand all groups, and once I'm clicking on collapse all group, it will be collapsing all the groups and giving you the first thing. Okay. So that's how simply you can do. And if you guys are using that in a multiple group basis, like for the quotation itself, I can use multiple group. Like I can provide the currency and I can provide the salesperson as well. Okay, I just provided salesperson and currency. What will happening is actually I just want to click on the customer name. There you can see the currency. If I'm just clicking on the currency side, there I can see the customer. And if I'm clicking once more time, there you can see there you will get what are the quotation that will be segregating each of this particular group section. Okay. So let me remove this one. So what I need to do is moving on to each drop down arrow and I want to expand it all. Now I can simply do what? Clicking on Alt, click to expand all groups. Okay. Simply click on expand all group. It will giving you the expansion of that particular currency. And let me click once more time and click to expand all. There you can see it will be expanding all the groups. Okay. And let me collapse this whole thing. Moving on to here, collapsing all group and clicking on once more. Now you can see that it will be getting the all group expanded version by clicking on the customer itself. Okay, so that's how simply you can deal with this option or this new feature, latest UI enhancement that has actually happened inside Odoo 20. So I think this will be very useful once you have a large data that you need to segregate by each of the group and you just want to get the corresponding thing or the data from that huge one. You can simply use this option or use this trick inside your Odoo 20. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of tricks and tips that is actually there in Odoo 20 version. So till the next video, bye bye.